Hello guys, you're welcome back again to our channel. I know it's been long, so today I'm showing you guys how I made this delicious cabbage soup. So this is the soup already done. So watch this video to the end to know how this soup came about. Thank you. So let's go straight to the video. The first thing here, I have my sliced cabbage already. So I have washed the cabbage, I have sliced it already, and I have put it in a tray. So this is my sliced cabbage here, very neat and clean. Make sure you wash your cabbage before slicing. Next thing, I put it in a pot. As you can see, it's on the fire already. The fire is under, so I put in a pot for it to boil, and I add salt inside. So this is my salt I'm putting. Some people will just put it inside hot water if they want it to be just parboiled, or they want it to be half done. But me, I like to cook it because I needed to make it with soup, and my dad like it when it is soft. So I close my pot, and now let's go to the next ingredient. So here we have our fish here, and I have to wash this fish, fix it. Next thing, we have our spices here, our groundnut, garlic, ginger, green spice, pepper, and so on. So I have put all the spices inside this groundnut to just grind immediately. So after that, I'm frying my fish. So after I fry this fish, I'm going to put the grind tomatoes, the grind groundnut inside this fish. Please guys, this is my method. This is how I was taught. Each and every cook has his or her own method that they use. Don't come here and be correcting me that this is not how we do it. Please, this is my method. So I'm turning my groundnut inside the oil where I fry the fish. I fry the fish because I want that bone, that little bone inside, to get soft, so that it cannot injure someone. Maybe when they are eating, I want the bone to be very soft. That's why I had to fry it inside the oil. So as I have turned the groundnut inside the pot, I'm stirring it. I'm going to allow it to get ready, and when the groundnut gets ready, I'm going to put now the cabbage inside. So this is my cabbage I am putting inside the groundnut soup to make it delicious. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this my little and easy process on how to make this cabbage soup. So tell me in the comment section how you make your own. This is my own method. This is how my mother taught me, and I know your own mother also taught you how to do it. Or maybe there's another way in which others can prepare this same particular delicacy. And this is a meal mostly eaten in Cameroon. So other regions, other countries might not know this particular style, or they might not know this particular thing that I am cooking. But if you are from Cameroon, you're going to know what I am doing right now. So after this, I forgot to show you the guys the part I put crayfish inside. You can put crayfish if you like. Then you put your salt and your maggi, and you keep stirring. Add a little bit of water if it is too thick. Then now you allow it to get ready again for a little while, and your soup is ready. This food can be eaten with rice, can be eaten with plantain, can be eaten with potatoes, any other biting food in which you can use it to eat with it. But today's own, I make this with rice. So we'll be eating this soup with rice, this cabbage with rice. So that's my gig, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's been long since I uploaded a video on my YouTube channel, guys. I've been very busy, and I travel back home. Presently I'm in Cameroon now with my family, so I just decided to do this cooking vlog. This is the first meal I'm preparing since I returned from Turkey, so my father had to eat this. And guys, I'm going to show you a video where my father was rating my cook of today. After 5 years of not eating my food, he was able to rate what I prepared. Guys, watch to the end and you're going to know how many I was given on 10. Let's go. Okay, here guys, the food is ready. So you can now remove the food and go and eat with whatsoever you want. But mine was with rice. Thank you. So guys, let's go to my father when he was eating it and how many he gave me while eating. You are going to know how many I had. So if you're the one, guys, how many are you going to rate this food if you're eating it with rice? Let's go. You also talk about me. You also the rice. Very chocolate. How did? Fine. I get me on 10. Why you did 0 on 10?
What do you have?
I want to know I didn't know. This is my first chop the chop since I come back. How many you give me now? Talk to me. Okay, keep telling me now. How many I get? 8. Why? You said I don't feel more than my meal now. Why you move 2?
I moved 2 because pepper not there enough.
Ah, it's hot. Pepper is enough. It's hot.
It's hot for you, not hot for me.
Then what? Why again?
Secondly, when I didn't cook cabbage or chop in the rice, then make I stop again more.
You say what I said to make I sauce again. You say nobody said sauce.
Come with the cook.
Yeah.
Hey, buy chop nazo.
Yeah.
I tell you, no, don't play. It was now when I egusi soup where we don't cook and we yes on day we know.